tubes, or as the Menti manual calls them, spark plug well. So about 6 new spark plug wells already installed here. One at the top here, at the end, and at the end here. So I don't have a proper tool to take the spark plug wells or tubes out. Looked online, there's some looking for an expanding plug, but I couldn't find that. The engine's out, so I have a lot of access here. I might as well change them. These things are already cheap, so I'd rather change them now than once in the car. The other engine here, the old broken engine, they're leaking, so there's all everywhere. Okay, so these ones are pretty clean actually. I put one out already, and they look like they're brand new, but I have them, I might as well put new ones in. So what I've come up with, 3/4 inch threaded steel pipe. Cost me $2.89 at the hardware store. Just put it in here. Just kind of spread it in a little bit, not too far, and then wiggle it out. So nothing to it. Right, put that back in, and pull the other one out. Just take it, just spread it in. Don't go far. These things come really easy. That wasn't far enough, so let's try it again. This is a tapered thread. You can actually see it. See? I'm trying to see it's tapered a little bit, which means it's tapered. It tapers down a little bit, so it actually gets thinner, so you can actually go in. It's a plumbing, and plumbing the thread is tapered because there's actually a friction fit. So just screw in a little bit, and now it's turning. Boom. So that's easy. Some dirt here, I'm going to clean up. I'm just putting it back in because I don't need contaminants to go in there. Okay, so now new spark plug well. Just get a little bit of oil in your finger here. Just get a little bit on there. Put a little bit of oil on the O-ring. Right. And put them in there. I'm going to find something to put that in. Probably a socket. Take it out. The next spark plug well, a little bit of oil in the O-ring. Just put it in here. Okay, it's not in yet. Same here, take that one out. The big socket here, what size that is, 30. So nice flat, put it on nice and flat. Just give it a little push. Again, nice and flat. Push. Goes in there, nice and flush. Nothing in here, no debris of any kind. Put in the spark plugs. Way to torque these babies, eh? Maybe to check torque specs. Okay, got my trusty Road torque wrench, and I'm going to torque the spark plugs to 30 Newton meters. Let's see. Wow, that's tight. I will not tighten them that tight by my outer torque wrench. Wow. Quite put her in, I imagine. I'm gonna torque the ignition coils with 10 Newton meters to the cylinder head. Not very tight at all. It's always good to follow the torque spec. Alright, so now we have cylinder 1, 2 and 3 complete. I'm going to repeat that same process on cylinder 4, 5 and 6. Let's do this right here, right now. Get it done and over with, right? Why drag it on? You don't have to. Okay, I'm on cylinder 4, 5, 6. I'm going to do the same thing here. I use my little trusty $2.89 steel pipe. As I'm turning it, actually, it grips and it's spinning the tube now. I'll go like that. Doesn't take long.
Huh?
Doesn't take long.
Sorry.
The noise you're making.
I'm done.
I mean, as much as I like you making noise. Just not that kind of noise at this time.
Sorry.
Okay. Next time I'm gonna make you help.
Pardon?
Next time you're gonna make you help.
Make me help if I make noise?
You're making help in the engine. I'll teach you a lesson. Anyway, back at it. My pipe. Set it in. Oh, it's lifted off the seat. It's loose now. And just boom, just like that. And it's not even actually damaging the well. There you go. I would imagine this probably doesn't work when with the engine in the car, but engine's not in the car, so well, that was money well spent. Clean, I think no debris in here. Very, very good news. Clean. All the oil that's in there. The spark plug tubes. So a little bit of oil on here. The O-rings. Space here. So trusty socket. There we go. You guys feel like okay, go give it a little thud. Shakes it nice and flat. Put a socket on here and with your palm of your hand go push it in. I don't know how you're gonna do this in the car. I'm sure you can, obviously, because people do it all the time. Always thread the spark plug in by hand first. Never use an air tool or a ratchet. Always go by hand, because in case you cross thread it, you'll be able to catch that well before you make it doing any damage. I mean, with a ratchet or air tool. What we say? It was 30 Newton meters. Again. Okay. Remove these coils from the old engine. They're both old engine, but one is broken. One is not broken. This engine is starting to look very bare. Can't wait to rip it open and see what's inside. It'll be fun. Okay, those babies are out. I don't know if you have to or not, but just a little bit of oil so it's a nicer, easier time going in. 10 Newton meters for the coils. Not very tight. You know, we're tighter and tighter than if I wasn't using a torque wrench. Okay, so that's done. Okay, we got the spark plug tubes, spark plugs, and the ignition coils installed. Let's move forward.